Question 10. What is the mean of a half, a third, a quarter, and a sixth? Mean is an average, and so what we need to do is we need to add these numbers together and divide by the number of numbers that you have. A half is a number. Yes, it's a fraction. 0.5 is a decimal. We're going to leave them as fractions because the answers here are fractions, but each of these is considered to be a number. We have 4 numbers, and therefore when we're finding the mean, we have to add together the value of those 4 numbers and divide by the number of numbers. So the first thing we're going to do is add these fractions together. I need a common denominator. In order to add fractions, I need to have them with a common denominator. And that common denominator is going to be, yes, 12. Six plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 is 15/12. So this is the total of these 4 numbers. And now what I need to do is I need to divide that by the number of numbers that we've got. 1, 2, 3, 4. 15 divided by 12 is the same as saying 12 multiplied by 4. 15. Oh, we can take a 3 out, can't we? So there's a factor of 3 there, which gives us a 5 up there. This is 3. Take a factor of 3 out, that gives us 4 multiplied by 4, which is 16. And that is answer E. I saw that there was a factor of 3. So basically what I've done is I've divided numerator and denominator by 3. This becomes 4 multiplied by 4. When I divide 12 by 3, this becomes 4 multiplied by 4. This is a 5, just I don't want to confuse anyone.